Stop! You won't believe this. Gourmet chicken Alfredo, mug style, in just 30 seconds flat. Late night cravings. Work slump, empty chips won't cut it. Your stomach demands real magic now. Flashback. Yesterday's meal prep, sliced chicken, pasta in mugs, labeled and ready to zap. Now your secret stash in the fridge, prepped and waiting. No cooking needed today. Splash cream, rain cheese, simple and mess-free. Nearly there, pure yum. Into the microwave, door slams. 30 seconds on the clock, countdown to ultimate yum begins. 30 seconds later, steam rises. Cheese bubbles, melts, sauce glows creamy gold. Stir it up. First bite, mind blown, like scoring a 5-star meal, done in half a minute. Snack level, expert. 30 seconds to gourmet pasta. Try this hack and thank us later. Comment cheese if you're drooling.